Hello, my name is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and I'm going to be showing you this 2016 Silverado half-ton. I do apologize, it's pretty windy today. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. Overall, this truck is in great condition. It's a local trade. I will just want to point out some of the things that I would want to know if I couldn't quite see it in person yet. This chrome is very clear. Sometimes you'll see a lot of rock chips on these guys. You have a couple throughout, but it's not speckled like some of them can be. Got one there on the silver. There's just a couple throughout here. They're going to be hard to see being so reflective. One there on the hood. There on the chrome. Move along to the side here. Have a scratch here. You can feel that one. That one wouldn't be able to be buffed out. And you have a scratch down here as well that you can feel. Wheels are in good condition. You don't have any scrapes or scratches. Tires there. You have a scrape down here. Oh, that's dirt, just kidding. Okay. We'll head inside. You got this beautiful Gideon lighter gray interior so things don't get too hot. You do have some wear on the leather where it's starting to lift up a little down here. Other than that, we're in great condition up here. No tears or stains in the headliner. Vehicle doesn't smell, hasn't been smoked in, or no one's eaten a lot of McDonald's in here. Got your bench seating, so you can seat 6. Got your Husky floor liners, help keep things nice and clean. And this back seat hardly looks like it was even used. Alright, moving along to the side here. This wheel is also in very good condition. There we go, that was dirt. Thought it was a scrape. No dents or anything along this side. Move to the back bumper. This is also free and clear. Open this guy up so you can see the bed. You do have a couple gashes in the plastic. That's common to see on the tailgates. Kind of see. And then in the back here, it was used as a bed. You know, you do have some of the scrapes, but you got a nice thick bed pad back here. Got our tonneau. Move along to this side. No dents, anything like that. Move over to the passenger side here. Again, very clean, like new interior back here. Right. This guy doesn't have really much wear at all in the entrance. Alright, that concludes our tour of this 2016 Silverado half-ton. Gorgeous condition. I don't expect it to last long, so let us know as soon as you can come see it in person. Thank you.